Hey guys, welcome back to Reviews and How-Tos. Today, we're going to be checking out some sound deadener and thermal shield mats that were sent to us by Siless for free for us to sample. So, let's go ahead and check them out. Alright, so I went ahead and cut this box open, so let's see what we have inside here. Alright, so it looks like we're going to get the mats inside of here. Look really nice. Looks like they come wrapped up just like this, and they're going to be in stacks of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 right there. All right, so I've got a single piece pulled out right here. On this side, you do have your metallic heat resistance. You pull this back, and this is going to be your sound dampening portion. Also is sticky. They say it's guaranteed to stick, so we'll go ahead and put that back down, and I will show you how to cut this really quick. It does have these nice grid lines on here, so it makes it super easy. So just get out your knife, and we're just going to line everything up here, and then firmly press down and cut this all the way through, just like that, staying on those grid lines. Make sure that it's nice and straight for us. Boom, just like that. Should be cut. Oh, look at that. Falls right apart. Really easy to do that. And look at that. Perfectly straight cut. So let's go ahead and take a look at some different ways that we can apply this sound deadening material. And then after we apply it, it sounds a lot better. And then you can see here, somebody applied it to the bottom of their tub, so it reduces those sounds. And then another person here to their generator house. And then the wheel wells here, you can see quite noisy. And then we move over here to the other side. That sounds a lot better. All right, so you saw right there, it works really well. Whole bunch of different ways that you can apply it. Temperature rating on this is going to be from -50 Fahrenheit all the way to 210 degrees Fahrenheit. The sound dampening, as you saw on that, amazing, works great. So if you're looking for something like this, I highly recommend the Siless sound deadening material. Go check it out.